What I'll do is just pour, let's see. Hola! Alright, I'm back for another video. I thought I'd take you guys along to show you how I water my plant, or what I water my plants with, shall I say, my secret ingredient. So, I love plants. When I was growing up, we had a lot of house plants in the house. My mom had about, at one time I counted, it was probably like 32 house plants in our house, and they were always beautiful. Rarely any of them died. So she always used like a little secret ingredient. I'm not sure where she heard about this from, but I learned about it. So when I had my own house, which I do now, of course, this is what I use when I water my plants. Here it is. Let me move that out the way. Yes, it's gelatin. And it's this specific brand, Knox Gelatin. This video is not sponsored. I just wanted to share this with you guys because this is what I use. This keeps my plants alive. Now, mind you, I have had some plants that died. Some plants are easier than others to take care of. But for the most part, I just water my plants once a week, and I use this Knox Gelatin. So let me take you through. I don't have that many house plants, like live house plants. I have a few artificial, but we're just focused on the live ones today. So I'm going to show you how I water them. Okay, y'all, I have filled up my trusty dusty planter. This thing gets about 4 liters. I'm sure I just got it at Lowe's or Home Depot or something. And then I have a packet of the Knox Gelatin. Now, I will not use an entire packet in this. What I'll do is just pour, let's see, maybe like half the packet. I'm just pouring half the packet in. All right. Okay, and first we are going to start off with the plant that we have in our kitchen. Yes, it has some brown leaves on it. Let me take these off. And then also this one has like some little, I've been seeing like little white spots on it, and I don't know what that is. So if any of you have an idea of what that is, please let me know. I just kind of like, I just keep wiping it off. Like, I hope it's not a disease or something on my plant. But anyway, I'll just pour this much water in. I do it like once a week. All right. Now we can move on to the living room. All right, so my 2 fiddle fig. So here's one. Let me just put some water in there, and I have to go get some more water. This one, so it's actually 2 plants. This one, like the stem broke off. I was messing around with it one day and it broke off. I was so hurt, but it continued to grow, so I didn't move it away. So hopefully it'll grow tall like this one. This one was up in my office, and I brought it downstairs. I need some more water already. So let me go get some more water and I'll be right back. I have refilled my planter, or my whatever water thing, and I put some more gelatin in there. I forgot to tell you guys, as I'm going through, I'll try to tell you where all of these plants are from. So this one I got from IKEA, and I have had it for years. All right, let's go back into the living room. Now, what I've learned about fiddle fig, because these are I've probably bought 3 in my lifetime. They require a whole lot of water. So as you can see, I'm putting a whole lot of water down in there. I need to remove those dead leaves that fall. Don't judge me. I'll get it. So these came from Costco. Both of these came from Costco. Costco will have these like once a year. And when I see them, I snatch them up. I do. I snatch them up. Now, yes, this leaf is brown, meaning that I probably wasn't watering it enough. This one has been, the tall one has been through some trials with me. Like, I was about to give up on it, but then it kind of came back to life. So she's growing. I'm not going to take that brown one off. It'll fall off and then I'll throw it away. All right, let's move on to this next one. This is a bird of paradise. This one I got from Home Depot, and this one has been with me for some years. Shoot, I can't even remember. Probably at least 3 or 4 years. This one has been with me. So let me go ahead and water it. Planter was thrifted. I was looking for a gold planter. I was like, God, I gotta find me a gold planter. I want a gold planter. Walked into a thrift store in Palm Springs, and voila, it was there. So yeah, this one is pretty easy to take care of. The bird of paradise are pretty easy to take care of. I want to get more, but yeah, Home Depot in the garden section, I believe outside. All right, moving on to the next plant. This one, I cannot remember where I got it from. But I know this planter I got from an estate sale, the blue Asian, like Japanese art or whatever, the blue and white, you know, you see this before. But yeah, these are pretty easy too to take care of. And I wish I knew the names. If I figure out the names, you guys, I will put it up there. But yeah. That one doesn't require that much. Oh, you know what? Let's go back in the kitchen because there is one in here that I totally forgot. This one right here. I feel like the one that I just showed you guys, I feel like I took from that one to create this one. So this one I have one plant in the kitchen now. I used to have a lot more, but I'm like, don't need that. All right, time to refill my water. Still have some gelatin in there. I'm not going to put any more. All right, let's go down to the laundry room. Yes, I have a plant in my laundry room. Why? Because I have a window in my laundry room. So this cute little thing right here, snake plant, I'll just pour some water in there. All right, perfect. Those are really easy to take care of too. My little snake plant. Okay, we're gonna let's head upstairs and into my office we go. All right, this is my office. You guys know I'm in here a lot. This one was downstairs. Let me get over here so you can see her. She was downstairs and I moved her up here. So let me water her. She doesn't require that much. And she does really well. I remember growing up, my mom had a lot of these. We always called them elephant ear plants, but I don't think that's what they are. All right, and then over here, we have another snake plant, which is not doing so well. I'm pretty sure I pulled it from another one. But yeah, we'll keep her going. All right. And then finally, we will head into my guest room, which I haven't done a reveal yet on because I'm not done decorating it. But anyway, I have this ficus tree. Another gold pot. I don't know where I got this gold pot from. Probably a estate sale. But this ficus is from a yard sale. And I will just give her some water. I hope I'm getting in there because it's 2 pots and yeah, 2 pots in one actually. because I didn't want to disturb it and take it out the little pot that it came in, so I just put it inside this one. But that's that. As always, thank you guys for coming along with me as I showed you my little plants and how I water them. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it down below. If you have any advice or any comments, you can leave that as well. And like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.